Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a bathroom rug. It's made with a loopy stitch. It's very easy to make, it goes really fast, and if you want to learn how to do this, stay with me till the end. And these are the materials that I'm going to use today. I have this yarn here. It's 100% cotton. It's to make towels. I'm going to work with 2 strands. It's 50 grams, 120 meters. Then in addition to the yarn, I'm going to use a 6mm crochet hook. You are also going to need a pair of scissors and a measuring tape. Now you can make this rug with any kind of yarn, just adjust the hook size. Now the measuring tape, you are going to need to measure the length of your chain. So for the tutorial I'm going to use this yarn here and also my 6mm crochet hook. So go ahead and make a slip knot. And then chain the amount of chains that you need to make your rug. So my rug measures 75 centimeters, so it's wide, and it is 110 centimeters long. I've chained for my rug a total of 71 chains. Now for the tutorial I'm also only going to chain a small amount. So go ahead and measure your chain for the width that you want. And then we are going to make one row of single crochets. This is going to be our foundation row. So go ahead and make one single crochet in each chain till the end. Okay, so this is my last stitch. Now for the next row, chain 1. This is your turning chain. It doesn't count as a stitch, and make one single crochet in your very first stitch. And now we are going to do the loopy stitch. So there are different ways how you can do the loopy stitch. One is like so. So pull up your loop on front of your work and then go in your next stitch and make your single crochet like this. So pull up your loop in front of your work and make a single crochet. And again, so pull your loop on in front of your work and make your single crochet. Now let me unravel this and show you the way I like to make my loopy stitch. I found it this way is much easier, so I'm pulling the loop on the back of my work like this, and then I make my single crochet. So go in the next stitch, pull your loop behind of your work and make one single crochet. And again, so the loops that we are creating are on the back side of our work like this. So I'm pulling my loop on the back of my work. So for me this is much easier to make. So now you can do which one you like. So if you find it much easier to work with the loops in front of your work, now go ahead and do so. but for me, in my case, I like to work with the loops on the back side of my work. Now I'm at my last stitch. Now go under your both strands like this and make one single crochet without pulling your loop. So we are going to start and begin our row with a loopy stitch with one single crochet. Now for the next row, chain 1, turn your work and make one single crochet in each single crochet from the previous row. And once you're at the end of the row, you need to have the same amount of stitches. So in my case, 70 single crochets for my rug. And now again, chain 1 and turn your work and do the loopy stitch. So first one single crochet in your very first stitch and then start working your loopy stitch. So basically this is it. It's a repeat of these two rows. So one row of single crochets and one row with a loopy stitch. Now go ahead and work like this till you reach your desired length. Once you reach your desired length, you need to end up by making one row of single crochets. So you've started with one row of single crochets, you need to end up with one row of single crochets. And at the end, you are going to chain 1, cut your yarn and weave in your loose end. My lovely friend, now I'm at the end of my tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed this one. But if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below this video. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye bye!